Hello guys, this is Professor Hussein. For today's video, I'm going to share you another event on MEXC. But before that, let me remind you this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So always do your own research, and crypto has a risk. So without further ado, let's get into it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my channel, guys. Professor Hussein, let's get started. So ENA Extravaganza, $1 million prize pool awaits from October 21 to November 2025, guys. The first event is the Unlock Zero Fee Trading with ENA. Enjoy zero fees and ENA trading during the event. Discover the full potential of ENA with no fees holding you back. So perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. So click more here. So Trader Fest, 100 tokens, zero fees. More saving, more trades, more earnings, limited time only. And also, it has a refer to earn event. So, NI Spin Fest, the second event, guys. Complete the task on the event page to earn spin chances. Each spin gives you a shot of exciting prizes from a 100,000 reward pool, guys. So, just click the join now button and just register right here. Okay, event ends in 25 days, 20 hours. You can also get an AirPod Max, 17 Pro Max, and 100 ENA, 1 USDT, and 10 ENA, guys, on the spin. So, one draw, one time. So, how to participate? So, trade at least 1,000 USDT in ENA spot. Trade at least 10,000 USDT in any futures. So, trade at least 100,000 in any futures. 3 spin chances, and the 10 spin chances is the trade at least 500,000 in any futures, guys. Okay, so let's see the 6 more here. Trade at least 1,000,000, and the last one is trade at least 1,000 in any future. One spin for $100 in ENA spot trade. One spin for deposit at least $100. Invite three user to deposit and trade spot for future. 2 spins. 15 spin, trade at least $1,000,000, guys. That's a big trading volume. Okay, let's go back here. And the next one is the Stake ENA to unlock up to 600% APR. Stake ENA during the event period to unlock up to 600% APR rewards are limited on a first come, first serve basis act. Fast. So stake now. So MEXC earn more as you trade, guys. Enable auto earn here and also redeem. Also available here. Frequently asked question available here at the MEXC. The next one is the deposit and trade spot to share 80,000 USDT new user exclusive. During the event, make a net deposit of 120 ENA or 100 USDT or 100 USDC and achieve a total ENA spot trading volume at least 100 USDT to receive 10 USDT. So rewards are limited to 8,000 users only on a first come first serve basis. Get an extra 20 USDT when you complete the deposit requirements through Fiat or F2P or P2P, guys. So boost spot trades and share 20,000 USDT during the event. Trade ENA on a spot and reach a total trading volume of 10,000 USDT to qualify for a share of 20 USDT. Rewards will be distributed proportionally based on your valid trading volume. The more you trade, the greater your rewards. The maximum individual reward is 1,000 USDT, guys. Also, the last one is future trading. Trade futures to share 200,000 USDT in future bonuses. During the event, trade at least 10,000 USDT on ENA futures to be eligible for the following tasks and earn corresponding rewards. So just click the trade now button here or just learn more about the event. This is the task details, guys. Trade at least 10k USDT on ENA futures to be eligible for the following tasks. Welcome bonuses for new futures user. You will have 500 and future bonuses reward USDT 3, 1,000 minimum trading, a 10 future bonus reward. And also they have the ranking reward here, guys. You can also see. And the rewards from task 1 and task 2 can be combined. Future trading volume exclusive or exclude future trades with zero fees, guys. You can also refer to earn always and new user welcomes gifts. Sign up on MEXC and unlock up to 10,000 USDT in rewards to kickstart your trading journey. Okay, so again, this is Professor Hussein. If you want to learn more about this extravaganza, $1 million prize pool, comment down below, like this video, and click my link on the description down below. So again, this is Hussein. Bye-bye.